to Fluff in the Corporate Space by Saffron Conscious, where we uncover the human side of leadership and explore the unseen struggles that impact both our work and our well-being. I'm your host, Mutsidi Sisilendane, the Corporate Heart Guide. Today, we are talking about something that quietly chips away at our energy, our relationships, and our sense of purpose. Burnout. Burnout is not just about feeling tired. It's a deep, soul-depleting exhaustion that can consume your mind, body, and spirit. And its effects ripple far beyond the individual. It fractures teams, destabilizes organizations, and places enormous strain on families, especially children. But there's hope, a wisdom within us that knows how to heal and restore balance. Today, we will explore how tuning into the wisdom of water can help you triumph over burnout and reclaim your vitality, clarity, and connection. Let's understand burnout. It is a silent erosion. Imagine this. You're a high-performing leader, pushing hard to meet targets, holding space for your team, and still showing up for your family. On the surface, you seem strong, but inside, you're running on empty. Burnout isn't just fatigue. It's a chronic state of emotional, mental, and physical depletion. And if left unchecked, it doesn't just affect you. It radiates outward, impacting you on the self. And when this happens, you may experience brain fog, forgetfulness, or chronic anxiety. Your motivation fades, and even things that once inspired you feel like a burden. Your body bears the weight too. You experience tension headaches, muscle pain, or a weakened immune system. All these become a norm. How does it impact the team? Well, as burnout grows, your ability to lead from a place of clarity and empathy diminishes. Small conflicts may escalate as communication breaks down. Your creativity, the fuel for your innovation, is stifled. How does it impact the organization? Burnout leads to absenteeism, disengagement, and ultimately high turnover. A culture of overwhelmment spreads throughout, leaving teams on survival mode rather than thriving. How does it impact your family, especially the children? Well, here's the pain that cuts the deepest. Burnout doesn't stay at the office door. When you're mentally and emotionally depleted, it's harder to be present with your loved ones. Children, in particular, feel this absence the most. They sense when you are emotionally distant, even when you are physically there. Conversations become shorter, patience wears thin, and joyful moments are overshadowed by fatigue. In the absence of your emotional presence, children may internalize feelings of neglect or confusion, often blaming themselves for the disconnect. Burnout, when left untreated, creates a ripple effect that disturbs the very relationships that mean the most to us. What are the small steps one can take to reconnect with themselves? While deeper healing is a journey, here are some simple yet powerful practices you can begin today. Pause and breathe throughout your day. Take a moment to close your eyes and place your hands on your heart and breathe deeply. This simple act calms the nervous system and brings you back to your center. Prioritize joy, whether it's a morning walk, a favorite song, or time with your loved ones. Small moments of joy replenish your energy. Reconnect with your why. Ask yourself, why do I do what I do? Returning to your purpose can reignite your sense of meaning and direction. How can we use the wisdom of water to create lasting resilience? In my work, I often speak about water and its ability to move with quiet strength, adapting to obstacles without losing its essence. Healing burnout isn't about pushing harder, it's about learning to flow with life's demands while remaining true to yourself. The heart, like water, knows how to balance strength with gentleness. It reminds us that leadership doesn't require constant force, but rather the courage to pause, listen, and move from a place of clarity and calm. If you're feeling depleted, physically, emotionally, or spiritually, know this: you are not weak, you are human. And within you lies the wisdom and strength to heal. At the Corporate Heart Guide, we walk alongside you, offering you tools, insights, and support to help you triumph over burnout and to reclaim a life filled with purpose, vitality, and love. I am Mutsidi Sisilindani, the Corporate Heart Guide, reminding you that even in the most overwhelming seasons, your heart, the wisdom of water, continues to beat steadily, resilient, and wise. Trust in this rhythm, and trust that you have what it takes to rise, thrive, and lead from a place of wholeness. If this episode resonated with you, please share it with someone who may be silently battling burnout. Together, we can create workspaces and homes where people feel seen, supported, and empowered to thrive. Remember, like water, flow with ease and gentleness, and let's continue navigating the currents of our own lives. Till next time, thank you.